Hey Dad, will the factory make tech packs for me?
What goes into a tech pack? What information do you think goes into a tech pack?
The fabric. I want to know the buttons and the zips, if there are buttons and zips in it. Maybe the size. We've got a garment so I can measure the size. A sketch. Or can we take a picture? Would that do? Colours. How do you do colours? How do you tell somebody about the colour? Labels. I'm going to need some labels in it. I've got my own label, which I've designed. So I'll put a picture of that in the tech pack.
Okay, so like we said earlier, let's say you just write it out in an email.
Yeah.
And then you send that to the factory and they make their own internal tech pack based on
Yes.
your email.
Yes.
Do you think it's your right to ask them for a copy of their internal tech pack?
You could ask them for a copy of it. Whether they would give you it is another question.
Why wouldn't they give it to you?
Because they would consider that to be their document.
But it's your
That's not-
information. It's your garment.
Your information, yes, but they've put it into their format. They might be loath to let you have a copy of that, of their specification for your garment.
What are they afraid of? Why wouldn't they just give it to you? I mean, they've made it.
Yeah, you've got the garment, you've got everything that goes with it. They might have put something in it that is what they consider confidential. They might have put how much fabric they use. They might have put how many minutes it takes to make the garment. They might have put how much it costs for each element. Well, if you've got a garment that is totally different from anybody else's and you want to be the first on the market and you think it's going to sell like sliced bread, then you don't want other people to know what it is you're making, so you will treat your tech pack in the strictest confidence. Yeah, you've got to let the factory have it, but you don't want them passing it on to every Tom, Dick and Harry.
What's stopping them from taking their internal tech pack and going down the street to another factory and in secret manufacturing your garment, but putting their label on it and selling it into another market?
Absolutely nothing. And I have to tell you, it happens all the time.
So will the factory make tech packs for you?
They will probably do a tech pack for themselves, and if you ask them very nicely and if they like you, they might give you a copy of their tech pack, yes.